Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies, are you looking for a fragrance that feels like fresh flowers blooming around you all day? Today, I'm sharing my experience with Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum, a timeless scent with lilies, white peonies, and jasmine that's loved by women everywhere. Stay with me, because this perfume might just become your new signature fragrance. Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum. Sheer optimism in a bottle. Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum is one of the most iconic floral fragrances designed for women who embrace beauty, joy, and elegance in their everyday lives. This clean, sparkling floral perfume was created to capture the feeling of pure delight, just like the uplifting scent of flowers blooming after a fresh spring rain. Delicately soft yet wonderfully radiant, Pleasure's blends signature floral notes of lilies, white peonies, and jasmine, all illuminated with the essence of bay rose. The result is a perfume that feels airy, feminine, and timeless. Every spritz surrounds you with a gentle burst of freshness, never overpowering, always graceful. Loved by women across generations, Pleasures is a fragrance that adapts beautifully to all occasions. Whether you're heading to work, enjoying a casual day out, or getting ready for a special evening, this perfume adds a touch of effortless sophistication. Its soft and joyful aroma is designed to make you feel luminous and confident, all while leaving a lasting impression. If you've been searching for a fragrance that's both classic and contemporary, Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum is the perfect choice. It's not just a perfume, it's a celebration of femininity and optimism, making it an ideal signature scent or a thoughtful gift for someone you love. Benefits: sheer floral elegance, a sparkling blend of lilies, white peonies, and jasmine for a fresh, timeless fragrance. Soft and joyful, captures the essence of spring flowers after the rain, uplifting your mood instantly. Luminous finish, delicately radiant with a touch of bay rose, adding subtle warmth to the floral bouquet. For all women, a versatile scent that suits women of every age, style, and personality. Everyday wear, light and clean enough for daily use, yet elegant enough for evenings. Perfect gift, a classic fragrance choice that makes a meaningful and luxurious present. Suggested use: to enjoy the full beauty of Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum, apply the fragrance directly onto your pulse points, such as your wrists, behind your ears, and the base of your throat. These areas naturally radiate warmth, helping the perfume develop throughout the day. Spray once or twice for a soft, lingering aroma. Reapply as desired for a fresh burst of floral brightness. Pair with your favorite Estée Lauder body lotion to create a longer-lasting fragrance experience. By wearing Pleasures, you're not just adding a fragrance, you're embracing a moment of optimism and lightness with every spritz. Why choose Estée Lauder Pleasures? For decades, Estée Lauder has been a trusted name in luxury beauty and fragrance. Pleasures continues this legacy by offering women a timeless floral perfume that feels modern yet classic. It's a fragrance designed for women who appreciate beauty and simplicity, elegance in every detail, and joy in everyday moments. Unlike heavy or overwhelming perfumes, Pleasures is sheer, fresh, and luminous, making it ideal for women who want a scent that feels natural and inviting. It's not just about smelling good, but about expressing yourself with a fragrance that radiates positivity and confidence. Final thoughts: if you love floral perfumes that are soft, feminine, and radiant, Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum spray deserves a place on your vanity. With its delicate notes of lilies, white peonies, jasmine, and a subtle touch of bay rose, this fragrance is like carrying the beauty of springtime with you all year round. Spray it in the morning for a refreshing start, or wear it in the evening to leave a lasting impression. Pleasures is versatile, timeless, and effortlessly elegant. Estée Lauder Pleasure's Eau de Parfum, the fragrance of sheer optimism, bottled just for you. To buy this product, go to check link in the description box. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching.